In this video, we will discuss about lesson number 8, features of file management. The first topic of this lesson is creating a file. If you remember, in the last class, we had discussed about file. A file contains related information. A file may be a picture file, a text file, a video file, or a sound file. So today we will learn how to create a text file using an application program that is known as Microsoft Word. So to open Microsoft Word, we will bring the mouse pointer over the start button and then we'll press left mouse button over it. Okay, once start menu will appear. From this start menu, we will locate the option Microsoft Office. This is the Microsoft Office option, and we will press left mouse button over it once, and then we have to locate Microsoft Word 2010. This is the name of the program or application program, we can say, that we want to open. To open it, we will press left mouse button once, and we can see here the application window of this Microsoft Word program, or we can say application program, has appeared on the screen. Now you can see here a blank area, a white blank area. Here we can type the text. Text means words or sentences to create letter, reports, etc. So let us type here a few words. Mount Carmel School. Now after completing your work, okay, after completing your typing work, whatever you want to type, okay, next step is to save your work. And remember this, we save our work, okay, in a computer so that we can use it in future. If we don't save it, then definitely we will will not be able to get it back. So we must save our work while we do any task, okay, or whatever work we do on the computer, we can say, so that if it is required that we want to use it in future, so we can we can access it or we can use it later on. So to save our file, we will bring the mouse pointer on this tab that is known as File tab, and then here we have to press left mouse button once, and here we will get the list of options. So you can see this is the first option, that is save. To save our file, we will click on this option with by using left mouse button. So if I press left mouse button, so a new window will appear on the screen. This is called as Save As dialog box. You can see the name here, Save As. So name of this box is Save As dialog box, and here there is a field. Okay, there is a, so you can see a section or a field. Name of that field is file name, and in front of it there is a box, and where it is specified Mount Carmel School, and you can see it is blue in color. This means it is selected, or we can say it is highlighted. Okay, these three words. Now here we have to specify, or we have to mention the name of file, okay, that we are going to create, or that we are going to save. So I'm going to type here my first file. My first file. Now after typing the file name in the file name box, this is the file name box, this white one, okay, and name of this box is file name box. And after typing the name of the file, we have to bring the mouse pointer over this button. Name of this button is save button, and we have to press left mouse button once. As soon as we will click on the save button, what will happen? Your work will get saved and a file will be created. Now to view our file, okay, that where it is saved, then remember this, whatever work we do usually in any application, okay, it is saved usually in documents folder. Whatever documents we create, it is saved in documents folder. So let us locate this document folder. So I will click on this close button, and then on the desktop, okay, I have one icon, this PC. Okay, using this icon I will be able to explore or search the files and folders that are present in the my computer. If you remember, in the third standard we had discussed one shortcut key combination, that is Windows plus E, that opens Windows Explorer. If you remember one topic we had discussed, Windows Explorer. So there is a shortcut key combination. If we press Windows plus E key, that will open what? Windows Explorer. Or I can double click on this option, that is this PC. If I double click over it, what will happen? The Windows Explorer window will appear. Using this window we can search for the files and folders that are stored in the computer. So now this is the folder, document folder, where the file which we have created is present. So I will double click over it by using left mouse button to open it, and inside this folder there are files, and we have to locate the name of the file. If you remember, we have given one name to the file, that is my first file, and this is our file, my first file. So this is the file which is created when we have pressed when we have clicked on the save button. So once we save our work, what is what is created? A file is created. So since we have used here application Microsoft Word, or we can say we have used here program Microsoft Word to save our work, so name of the file, what type of file is created? Microsoft Word document file is created. You can see here, as I am moving the mouse pointer over here, it says Microsoft Word document. So the type of this file is what? Microsoft Word document file is created. So we have created one file. Name of the file is my first file that we have given ourselves, and the type of the file is, what type of file we have created? A Microsoft Word document file we have created. So whenever we click a photograph from the camera, like your smartphone, so what? A picture file is created in your mobile phone. So whenever we record any video from our mobile phone, a video file is created. So this means what? The information is saved in your phone in the form of what? Pictures or videos. Similarly here, this file contains what? Words or sentences that are also known as text. So such files are also known as text files, or we can say the documents files. So now I will close this window by using this close button. Now let us learn how to create a folder. So if you remember, we had discussed this topic, what is folder, in the third standard. A folder is a cabinet where we can keep related files as well as folders. So let us create how to let us learn how to create a folder. This is the blank area of the desktop, and we have to press right mouse button once after bringing the mouse pointer in the blank area. So you can see the mouse, I am moving the mouse pointer around the blank area as I am moving the mouse, and now we will press right mouse button. As soon as I will press right mouse button, a small menu has appeared on the screen. This menu is known as shortcut menu. In this shortcut menu there are options. We have to locate new option. This is the new option, and as soon as I will bring the mouse pointer over the new option, a sub menu, a new menu will appear, a sub menu, or we can say a sub menu has appeared, and in this menu there is one more option, that is folder. So this is our required option which we have to select. So to select it, we will press left mouse button once after bringing the mouse pointer over this option, that is folder, and as soon as we will click on this option, what will happen? A new folder will get created, will be created on the desktop, and name of this folder is new folder. And you can see these two words, new and folder, are highlighted. That name of this folder is highlighted. We can type here new name, my first folder. After typing the name, either you can click on somewhere in the blank area, or you can press enter key from the keyboard. So now folder is created with a name, that is my first folder. Okay, so we have created our first folder. In the next video we will learn how to copy file and folder, as well as rename a file or folder.